Farmer Tom here. Welcome to the Farmer Tomcast. Today I'm going to talk about why I started this project, Heroes of the Green. It came to me a few years ago that we needed to take time and record all of the stories for historical record of all the people that I looked up to and knew in the industry that have done so much work, recognized and unrecognized heroes out there. So the format goes as follows. I record their stories totally uninterrupted. Then I ask a few questions. After the questions, I get them the opportunity to plug their organizations or their favorite groups in the industry. So I think this is a really important project, and it's been an honor and super humbling to be able to facilitate this process. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy my series, Heroes of the Green. Also, I'm in the process of doing some fundraising for the project and or sponsorships. So if you can help out and you want to be a part of this, you know how to get in touch with me. Thanks so much for tuning in and have a great day.